Now, first what I'll do, I'll complete this LSMW. Okay, once after completion of LSMW, if time permits, then I will discuss with the last session related standard T course. Yesterday, I sent you four, not yesterday night, I sent you four programs. It's related to all our like session method, call transaction method only. All our transaction codes like related to MM01, okay, MM01 application, XK01 related application, all are standard applications. How to do those particular transaction codes? How to do those transactions? But today, I will explain XK01 only, but related to LSMW. Okay, LSMW. Same procedure in recording method also. Only difference is there you have to write coding. Here without writing code we will process. In LSMW there is no need to write down. Okay, write here code. Just only procedure. Either MM01, either XK01, either XG01, either ME21. Any T codes we can use LSMW method. Okay, this is the simplest method, 14-step method. Okay, 14-step method. Okay, most of the times you can use for this particular okay, procedure to upload the data. Okay, your project time minimum 20 to 30% of the work will be 20 to 20% of the work on only LSMW only. Or project LSMW and BSc, BDCs. Okay, old data compulsory you have to load to SAP by using these methods. Okay, under that functional related part, okay, functional related part done by only through LSMW. LSMW. Okay, that's what LSMW is very important. Okay, as for the like technical side or functional side both. Here LSM means legacy system migration workbench. Okay, workbench. Legacy is nothing but a non-SAP. Legacy is nothing but legacy system means non-SAP. Migration means transferring non-SAP system. Migration is nothing but a transferring data. Transferring data to SAP database. Okay, SAP database. Meaning legacy is non-SAP, migration means transferring data, workbench means SAP database. That is only the main outline of the definitions, outline definition. Transferring the non-SAP data to SAP system, we can use LSMW. Transaction code is LSMW only. LSMW. Before going to this procedure, first we have to know what is which transaction code. Like the last time I explained Z insert, that is customized. Okay, customized is easy. Why means only 5 fields only there. But XK01 we have n number of multiple screens and multiple fields are there. Many fields are there. That is complicated. That's what I am working with the XK01 part. Now, okay, first I will give sample data for XK01. Okay, now sample data I am giving. If you know this sample data, then only you can work it. For any system, this sample data it will work. In your system also, try this data first. To log in this one, first I am giving sample data. Then I will work with LSMW. Same data only should you have to try. Okay, 1 second. This server is not working. I think I'll send him to. I have another system. Let me check here one more. Okay, here first xk01, any data either xk01, xk02, mm01, mm02, xd01, xd02. Sorry, any transaction. Excuse me, any transaction procedure is same. Procedure is same. Go to xk01. Here whatever data I am going to enter here my system, same in your system also it will work. I mean these all sample data SAP has given. Okay, directly go to company code, same data you can try, it will work. Okay, so okay, standard data this is. Enter the company code, purchasing organization, means in first okay, first screen, in the first screen 4 fields. In the first screen we have 4 fields, but under 4 fields also here, okay, if you observe here, okay, and delete it, let it be. This is screen 1. Okay, this is screen 1. Next, in second screen, if I enter, it is asking here account number is mandatory, means I am creating V111, any new number I am creating. So all the information. Enter. In the second screen, these all the fields are important. In the second screen, okay, let me fill first. Then company, any name, Ganga, GR. Okay, street I don't want all the fields. Okay, here how many fields? Title 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 fields are important. These 5 fields we have to. This is screen 2. This is screen 2. Okay, this is screen 2. Okay, copy. Okay, copy. Then go to element in this screen. This is second screen. Next, once if I enter this second screen, save. Then it will ask the third screen. Enter the sample data here. This is a third screen. This is a third screen. This data article. Okay, copy this one. Here, where I have to. Okay, here I have copy the screen. Means 3 screens. Okay, 3 screens. Next, let me check here one more screen. Save it. Then it is continue. Then it is going to the, okay. Now finally it is created. See, one vendor is created. Meaning to create this vendor, to create vendor. For me, I got 3 screens. For you, it may be one more screen will come. Currency screen also. Actually, currency also it will ask, but I don't know why it is not asked to me in my system. But currency also this is another system. Okay? This is another screen. 4 screens you will get it like this. Meaning this is screen 1, screen 1, screen 1. Okay, like this. Okay, screen 2. This is screen 3. This is screen 4. Screen 4 means each screen we have different fields. First screen we have 4 fields. Second screen we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fields are there, even English language also. And third screen we have only 2 fields. And final screen I have only 1. But in this my example I don't have this screen. Okay, that's what I'm not going to maintain. But for you, you will get it. You will get it INR also compulsory. You will get it. But my screen it means I have to maintain 3 screens with the 4, 5, 2. 9, 11 fields I have to maintain. That is my example. 11 fields. Okay, 3 screens with 11 fields. If I want all, even state, postal code, city, all we can maintain. But this is for my example. How to do this procedure I am giving now. This is sample data I had given here. For any T code, even MM01 also. Let me see. I'll give here. Anyhow, it is recording. It is easy to understand. MM01. Select the mechanical engineering. Select the mechanical engineering. Select the raw material. Any material. Enter. Select the basic data. Continue. Fill here some data. Fill here some data. Okay. 3 fields only I am going to maintain. Click on save. One material will be created. New material is created. See. New material is created. Like that. Very basic data. If I want some other data, basic data and purchasing data also, the same. Enter. Plant is asking. Continue. This data you have to record first. You have to record it. That recording only I am explaining. Enter. Then it is asking some information. Purchasing related. Enter. Enter. Save. This is the way to create any bulk data procedure. Bulk data procedures. Now click back button. Okay, click back. Okay, click back. Okay, first procedure. Okay, go to LSMW steps. Go to LSM. Steps. Okay, go to LSMW. Continue. Continue. Here we are creating one project. Okay, one project. Okay, ZPROJ. Any name, ZMM. Project sub-project name is MM. Object name is Gangadhar. Okay. Here any name you can give. Project name, any name, but better you can use short four-digit numbers. Okay, don't give long name. If you give long name, you will get sometimes errors. 4-digit number, project name, sub-project name. Sub-project means MM. Okay, MM. Object name. This all object is nothing but folder name. Okay, folder name. Okay, execute. Here it is already existed. Somebody is created. You can use some other name. Okay, some other name. Project 6. Execute. Okay, not executed here. No project is executed. No create. It will allow. Okay, it will allow. This is a new project for XK01. Enter. Then it will ask like MM project. Description. Enter. Gangadhar session. One folder name or Ganga folder. Okay. Continue. Now see here all the names has created here. All names are created here. Then click on execute here. Click on execute. Execute. Step 1. Here this is 14-step method. This is step 1. Maintain object attributes. This is only big step. We maintain object attributes. Means all these screens, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3. If you force the screen also it is coming. All screens we have to do. Here recording. Let me show. Okay, let me show. Execute. Display change. Okay, here we have the methods is there. Batch input recording method only. Last time we will discuss. Enter a question here. What are the object import methods are there in LSMW means? One is standard batch input. This is obsolete. We are not using. Another one is batch input recording. We will use this method only in real time. Third method is BAPI method. I did not discuss BAPI in coming sessions. Maybe this week we will get it BAPI. And IDOC is intermediate document. Okay, next coming week it will come. Okay, last topic that is next coming. Okay, I will discuss that points later. But batch input recording is nothing but last session we processed the input recording. Same procedure. But no coding here. Just give here ZMM. PROJ. Any name you can give. Then click on here. Go to option recording overview. Go to option record. Or otherwise you can click directly recording overview. This symbol. Okay, this symbol. Then you will get like this type of screen. You will get. Select the recordings. Select the recording. Click on create button. The recording name, ZMM project name, whatever name you entered that one. This is MM project. MM project. Continue. MM project. Give the transaction code XK01. Give the transaction code. Then fill all the data, whatever data you enter, but don't enter existing number. If you give existing number, you will get error. Okay, non-existing number you have to enter. How will you come to know? You have to check in LFA1 table. Okay, you can check like LFA1 table separately. Go to SC16N, okay, LFA1. You have to check like V, what is the name I entered? V112. V112. If it is existed or not, you can check here. See, not existed. Then only I can use it. If it is existed, if you use, you will get error. Enter the vendor name, company code, enter the purchasing organization and our country group. 4 fields I entered in first screen, 4 fields. Enter. In second screen, Mr. Ganga India. GR. Okay, only 4 fields I am going to. 1, 2, 3. Even if I want street also, I can enter 5 fields. Save. Save. Okay, reconciliation also. Next screen. Same data. Same data. Third screen. Continue. Finally, okay, everything is recorded. Here, this screen is important. Okay, this screen. This is only we can call, okay, mapping screen. Okay, mapping screen. Here I will select here all the fields and I will paste it in my, okay, what, okay, this one more paint I will open because I need here this data also. Okay, I'll paint it here. Okay. Why I need means because sequence information I required. Which field this is, field name all required. That's what I pasted here. Okay. Next, close this one. Wherever default value, default means white symbol, white symbols. Red means new name you have done. Wherever default value, white spaces are there, those white spaces you have to double click and you have to remove the default value first and you have to maintain the same name here, same name here and here. Continue. Like this you have to maintain. All the fields same like that. Second one, BOKRS, remove the default value. Third one, EKWord, remove it. Fourth one, KTOKK, remove this one. Fifth one, ANRD. Sixth one, name one. Sortel. Like that, all default values we have to remove and we have to maintain technical names here. Land one, remove the default value. Here, all the fields. Next, AKONT, remove the default value. Next, FDGRV, remove the default value. Over. Okay, now save it. Now save it. Okay, means wherever default value is there, the default value you have to remove. Over. Step 1 is over now from the screen. Step 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 fields I am uploading. Okay, 11 fields I am uploading. 11 fields I recorded here. 11 fields. Save it. Okay, click on save. Click on save it. Okay. Back. Step 1 is over. Next, step 2. Back button, back, save, back. Then we have to go to source structure. Okay, maintain source structure. Here, source structure is nothing but an internal table name. Okay, let me write it here. Let me write it here. Okay. This is a database. Sorry. Okay, next example. Middle one, internal table I am creating. This is file. This is iTab. This is an Excel sheet like text file. Text file. From text file to we have to upload the data. Text file to we have to upload the data, and then uploading data to we have to send it to SAP. Means here iTab I am creating some name. Okay, any name, internal table name. Okay, but don't enter iTab. You can use some other name other than iTab, either KTab, either JTab, either NTab, either JTab. You can enter. Okay, to create that one, we will use here source structure. Source structure is not one layer we are creating. Okay, JTab. JTab means internal table. Execute. Here it is in display mode. Okay, you click here change button. You click change button. Click on change. Select the source structure. Select the source structure. Create structure. Data. Data. Continue. Save it. Only JTab. That's it. No need any fields. Just only JTab. Save it. Over. Created. Now that is also done. Next. Back button. Step 2 is over. Next step 3. Source fields means these all fields like whatever names we have here. This structure name, all the fields. Okay. These fields, technical name of these fields, all fields, technical name. This we have to maintain in this JTab also. Which fields you have to maintain? For JTab, one field iTab, whatever technical names are there, all fields we have to maintain here. KTO, KK, NRD, name 1, this hotel, STAS, land 1, then AKONT, then FDGRV, all fields. This all under JTab we have to maintain. To maintain that, source field, execute, display. This is also display. Okay, click change button. Observe now here. Don't process with the top to bottom. You have to go for this field names. Okay, whatever field is there, like this fields. Okay, this field names you have to process from bottom to up. Bottom to up. Okay, if you process bottom to up, exact mapping will come. Otherwise, okay, mismatching data will come. Bottom means first field is FDGRV. That field you have to maintain. Let me show one field. Then select this one. Field names you have to maintain. FD, GRV, FD, GRV, the length. Like that you have to maintain. Second field, AKONT. Okay, AKONT. Select the data, create AKONT. AKONT. Third, next field, as per the land 1. Okay, land 1. Okay, country. Select this one data. STRAS, TRAS, STRAS, TRAS, STRAS, TRAS. You can use length 40. TRAS means street name. You can use 20, 30, 10. Okay, any name. Next. Okay, next. Street. SORTL. Okay, next. SORTL. Same way you have to maintain all the SORTL. SORTL. Next. Okay. SORTL name 1. Okay, name 1. Okay, name 1. Okay, next ANRED. Okay, ANRED. Okay, next KTOKK. KTOKK. Okay, like that, all the information, top, bottom to up, you have to go. EKORG. EKORG. Okay, next. BUKRS, company code. KRS. Final. Okay, final. LIFNR, vendor, last one. Same, we are just going to, there we have written okay, internal table, but here you have to say. Now you can compare with your screen. You can compare with this screen. Is it the exact structure is there? You can see here. LIFNR. Bookers. KTO, exact structure has come. Otherwise, if you give up to bottom, then all mismatched data it will come. Okay, that's what you have to maintain clearly this step. You have to maintain this step. Save it. Step 3 also over. Okay, step 3 also over. Back. Next, fourth step. Okay, fourth step. Maintain structure relations. Okay, maintain structure relations. Execute. Display change. Save it. In this step, what exactly we are doing is, step 1 we created ZMM project. Step 3 we created MM project with fields. Step 3 we created data with fields. Just we are mapping here both fields. Just relationships we are creating. That you are not creating. That system is created already. Okay, that relationships. Just we have to click here only save. After change button, after here display mode, click on change button, save it. That's it. Back. Then fifth step, maintain field mappings and conversion. Okay, maintain field mappings and conversion rules. Execute. Display. This is in display mode. Change mode. Click on change mode. Okay, click on change mode. Select here this MM project. Here we have an option is there extras. We are mapping with fields. Which one? Step 1 and step 3. Auto field mappings. Click on auto field mappings. You click on with the no confirmation. Okay, click on with no confirmation. Why means each time you have to click enter. Instead of that one, you can click continue. You can see here everything is mapped here. Step 1 field, LIFNR field is equal to step 3 field. Same field name only. Step 1 field is equal to step 3 field. EKORG, KTOKK. This is like same performs. Last class we have written performs the same way. ANRED, name 1, SORTL, SORTL, AKONT, FDGRV, everything is same. Okay, correct mapping has come. Okay, if it is any error is there, okay, we cannot process the session. Save it. Now this is done. Okay, assignment also done. Means mapping is done. This is just only mapping the fields. In programming side, we are calling that is performs. Okay, instead of performs, we are written like this. Save back button. Okay, back. Then specify files. Okay, then specify files. Execute. Here, this fixed values. Here, this step actually not required any in real time also. Okay, fixed values. If we are going to maintain any country is fixed, then we can use this step. Fixed values we are not going to maintain. We can avoid this sixth step. Okay, we can avoid sixth step. Means no need to maintain any fixed values for the countries. Then seventh step, specify files. If you want to go to specify files, first you have to create here one text file on desktop. Okay, text file based on these values. Okay, based on these values. How to create? I will show. Step. Okay, just open the one file name. From the file only can open. Okay, remove this existing data. Now I'll create it here based on these screens. Based on the screens here. First field is LFNR, tab, company code, all we have to enter. Enter here V113, tab. Okay, but here advantage is even you can enter the commas also here. Commas also, comma, or tab. Okay, tab, 1000 company code, tab, 1000 purchasing organization, tab, 001 is the organization. Same data, that data should be same as it is. Next data we can give like Mr. Okay, company name, company sorting, street, all we will give as per the. This is Mr. or company or any name. Okay, Mr. Vendor number, this is vendor name. Okay, TVS is vendor. Tab, this is BTM layout. Okay, anyway, BTM or any name, Jayanagar. Okay, tab, next country, in tab, 31,000, tab, A1. Yes, here. This data, this account also can change it as per the requirement. Okay, let it be only one record. I will try first, then second record we will go for. Okay, otherwise you just copy one more record, no problem. If you get error also, no issue, we will solve it. Okay. Same data you can copy and go to last line, enter. Okay, yeah, this is only VV1. Okay. previous one, yeah, another one, any other. Okay, 8. For difference purpose, I entered same data. Okay, difference. Save is. File name is Ganga. Okay, file name is Ganga. With the tab I used. Let me show. Now I'll go to the specify files here. I will execute here. Here we can process two ways. One is your data is in front end. We can use it. Sometimes the same file will specify it in application server. Application server. Here application server is nothing but a AL11 is a code. AL11 application server files. Okay, SAP directories. Okay, our file they will place it in one folder. Okay, one folder like this. One folder they will place it here. That folder name they will send like this here. This is somebody is any text file is let me check here text files. Okay, Sushma text is there. Let me check here. Somebody is maintained only date. Okay, numbers only maintained. Actually, this is standard. Okay, like this, our text file ganga.txt will come here. That file path name they will give you to you. Okay, who administrator will send to you file path. But here we are not working with this standard application server. We are working on front end system, our system only. Display change button. Select the legacy data. Create button. Browse the file name. Browse the file name on desktop. Okay, Ganga. Open. Give here any name. Enter here tabulator. Tabulator means my spaces. Okay, spaces. Click on tabulator. Continue. Okay, continue. Now just I assigned here that name. Okay, file name I assigned. This file is having data. We'll see that next step. Save it. Back button. Step was 7 is over. Next step is assign files. Step 8. Assign files. Execute. Assign files execute. Display change. Here, this is J tab. This is J tab. J tab is assigned with your file name. Okay. .txt. Not .txt. Click on save. This is same like GU underscore upload we entered. Okay, there we entered a file name, file path, file name I entered. Same this step. Okay, instead of that step, this step we are using. Source files. Last class, which I will discuss here one name. C38. What is the name? Z. Session. Z recording. Oh. Standard name is this. Which name I entered? Record. How is it? That name I forgot. Actually, that G underscore upload program I worked on. Yes, HR ABAP. Okay, now I'll show you. This is only JTab is nothing but the same like a file path we entered. The same file path automatically it attached here. That is step 8. Next to step 9, read data. It will read from that particular file. How many records are there? It will read here. Execute here. Read data. It will show that number of lines. 2 number of lines it will show here. Allow. 2 records are read. 2 records are written. File path. Click on back button. Display read data. Okay, 10th step. 10th step means it will show the 2 records clearly. Execute. Continue. Here, record 1 this is, record 2 this is. Let me check each field is mapped or not. Here, LFNR vendor it is mapped clearly. Company code is mapped clearly. Organization is mapped clearly. KTOKK, title, company name, company. Okay, here it is not mapped properly. Instead of sorting I did not enter. I think somewhere here I missed out here sorting. Here data is matched. Data is mismatched here because I mapped here sort SORT Ganga. Okay, here I did not use sort. Okay, after TES directly BTM I entered. Sorry, name Jayanagar. This is sort. Sort also TVS you have to enter. Sort also same name sorting. Okay, TVS one. Okay, this is a mismatched. Okay, that's what we have to maintain that data once again, run once again with the 7th step onwards. Okay, you can identify easily error here. Here last field is error because I did not maintain one name here, sorting name. That's why it is moved to the data is moved to before screen. Now what I'll do, I will run from specify files once again. I'll click on change, save it. Just only save, no need to attach once again. Already file is attached. Come back, execute, display change. Save, then read data. It will read here now 2 records. Allow. This time we will see once again. Come back. Display read data. Okay, display read data. Continue. You can see here. You will see here now. Okay, exactly it is mapped. Name is name. Starting, state, land, all. Okay, all. Come back. Then convert data. Okay, convert data. Okay, convert means it is converting to SAP format. It is converting to SAP format. Converting the data. Continue. Execute. You can see here transactions read 2, transactions are read. Okay, written 2, records are written 2, like that it will go. These 2 records are converted into SAP format. Read 2, converted to. Okay. Next, it will show, okay, display converted data. 12th step. Okay, display converted data. Display converted data. Execute. Continue. If I check here, green color it will show. Before yellow color, now it is green color. Now see, table name is 30, this is a project name. T code name is XK01, vendor is correctly, all fields are correctly mapped. Okay, you can easily identify if your error is there, it will show error here only. Okay, error. Next, come back. Any second transaction also you can check. All are ready. Click back button. Okay, back button. Then 13th step. One session name we are creating, one folder name to create batch input session. Execute. Execute. Okay, execute. Continue. Final step, run batch input session. Okay, run batch. Okay, run batch input session. Okay, execute. Here you have the session name is here. Session name is here. Select the session name. Select the session name. Click on process. Process foreground. Process foreground. Click on process. You can see here now my data, all whatever I created, data has come. Then you can observe now same data should map here now. Okay, first screen has mapped exactly. Enter. Second screen also it is mapped exactly. Enter. Okay, third screen is something problem, some issue with the third screen. Why? Let me check the second record. Enter. Then next screen. Enter. Enter. Yeah. So here some issue with the screen recording issue. This is. Okay. But data is should map exactly. Okay, data. Here why means while doing the recording step, that time, okay, if any screen is missed out, you will face this type of issue. Okay, let me upload with a new data, same data. Okay, 5 is 6. If you want to upload once again with the new data, you have to save it here once again. Yes, some from here this screen, I am getting the issue. Here it is clear here. That save is clear now. Let me check LSMW once again. Okay, LSMW. Continue. Execute. You have to process once again 7th step onward. No need to run all the steps. Only go to here, execute, display change, save. If you want to upload the next screen onwards, assign files, display change, save, share. JTab is assigned with the same file only. File is same. Data will be different. Data. Then execute read data. Execute it. Continue. Execute, continue. Come back. Display read data. Latest data will be updated. Let's see. This is a V15 here. V15 V115. The new data is okay, same as convert data. Execute it. Have to come back. Then display convert data. Continue. Okay, exactly it is mapped. Okay. Here AKOINT is exactly it is mapped here. Okay, it will be there. Then create batch input session, execute it. Then run batch input session. Select the session name, process. The process. New record has come. Continue. Okay, this error only we are getting. This error. Something that screen is somebody is extra screen is mapped. That screen it is taking automatically. That's why it is giving. But in real time, you won't. That is baddie is implemented somebody. Because of that baddie, you are facing this issue. Okay. new record, right? New record. All the data it will map, all the data. Okay. Otherwise, you can try with the XK02. You can try change the records. Okay. Now it is observed. Sorry, it is loaded. We'll see this data. We can observe here. Data is properly loaded or not. SC16N. I entered here 2 records. For the, sorry, 4 records. V112 onwards. V115. Okay. 4 records I entered. Let's see. All the 5 records I entered here. So, okay. 113 onwards, 113 and 116, I think. 116, 4 records total. Correct. Okay. First time 2 records I loaded. Like whatever data I entered, all the data it is loaded here only. So V is loaded, group name, okay, all the information. Set term, state name, all. Okay, all. Okay, this is the way to upload the any data, bulk data. Actually, we'll specify here last step is a last step. We'll select this one. Once if you click here, background if you enter, automatically all the data will be uploaded to SAP. No need to click enter. Okay, foreground we won't use it. We'll use it background. Direct background execution only you can do it. This step, tomorrow background procedure. What is the use of background procedure? Those important related points and one transaction code. Okay, for XK02 I will show that either session method related information or call transaction method. You can try that example tomorrow after this one. Okay, tomorrow I will give you first 2-3 examples I will give on standard T codes. XK01, XK02, MM02, these T codes I will give. After that I'll start with the reporting related. Okay, reporting, standard related reporting, advanced reporting. Understood what is the use of LSMW? Praveen?
Yes.
Satish?
Yes.
Means if you have the data, bulk data, I am talking about bulk, not 2 records, 3 records. These 2 records, 3 records just only for our understanding purpose, like just is data is uploading. Here why screen is not come, why screen is not like loaded to this screen and this screen means because somebody is implemented in this screen somebody is implemented on baddie. That baddie is not properly implemented. That's what this after this screen it is not moving to this screen. Data is not moving to this screen. Okay, here somewhere in the middle of the some 4 screens are there in the middle of the screen 2, and as per our screen 3 we have 4 screens are there. Those 4 screens are not coming properly. Okay, that's what we are facing this issue. Otherwise, for you won't get those type of okay like universe system. My system the somebody has done this one. Okay, if you try it exactly, data will map it. Data will be uploaded. Okay, data will be uploaded. We'll see. Okay. Tomorrow class, okay, I will give these 2 examples. And then one reporting also, classical reporting I will start it. That is we can call advanced reporting.